Hello guys, what's up? How's everybody doing today? So for those of you interested, I'm going to be doing updates on the game that I'm working on. Um, I don't know how often I'll be doing updates, um, but I'll try to keep some updates flowing out as I progress on the game, as I add things, features, whatnot to the game. But yeah, so let's get into this juicy game I've been working on. All right. So still got the HP bar, got this little level text, outputs the level. Now, previously I said that I wanted to implement a like a stat screen, and guess what? I did. Check that out. That's what I've been working on. So it it took me a while to do this. I did the art. I kind of like what I did was I took Sweator. I don't know if you know Star Wars: The Old Republic. I took the character screen, the stat screen or whatever, the menu screen. I don't know what to call it, but I took it and then I kind of just made it my own. Added my own colors to it. I have 5 slots that are going to be item slots that the character can put items into. I'm gonna have an inventory module over here eventually. But yeah, I got stats coming in. I got HP, strength, defense, crit chance, and crit multiplier. And then of course the level. Up here, gonna have the character name. I'm not sure what I want to put here. Right here is gonna be a morality bar. I want to try. I'm not gonna say I'm gonna do it, but I want to try and put morality into this game. Let the player make choices, good, bad, and then display the morality of the player, good, bad, whatever the player ends up being. Right here at this bar. Right here, I'm gonna have the experience to next level. You know what I mean? Like, how much experience to next level, and I'm gonna have a little XP bar right here. Here, I'm not entirely sure what I want to put here, I'll be honest. I've been thinking about different things. Um, I was thinking maybe like I want to have some abilities in the game for the player to unlock as the game progresses, hopefully. I mean, I'm not sure where the game will go from here, but maybe this could be a good place to show the powers you unlock as you progress through the game or something. But it's definitely open for possibilities. Then here I might have tabs down here, kind of like the Sweator, the Sweator menu does. So that possibilities definitely for this. And it clicks on and off with the C button. I do have it working on the controller as well. So when you press start on the controller, like a PS3, PS4 controller, should pop up. And Xbox as well. So should be working for controllers as well. So when you hit start, this bad boy should pop up. Sweet deal. Alright, what else have I done to this delicious game? I've been working on crit. Oh gosh, I'll try to show that off as well. Alright, so I lowered them to level 1 for testing purposes, as I always say. LOL. It was because I was testing crit, and oh, guess what else I added? I added this little death animation. Yay! and now I can't move. And then he stops attacking, and yeah. So I did add that. I totally forgot about that. I added that. So when you get to 0 health, as you can see right here, 0 health, you will pass out, die, whatever. You will, you know, perish, I guess. So yeah, I did add that. Now I don't know if I'll crit. You won't really see anything. Ugh. Even if I do. There, whatever. So what I mean by I've been working on crit. Alright, so check this out. Crit chance, 1.2% chance to crit. Then crit multiplier, right? This is how big the crit is gonna be. It's gonna be 101.2% increase. So basically it's 100 plus the crit chance, but it's actually a different calculation than that, but I won't really get into the calculations, but that's just what it is. It's just 101.2% increase of the damage. So yeah, let me see if I can demonstrate this for you guys. I have to change my crit. I'm going to change my crit to 15%, which is a pretty hefty increase. And stop debugging. All right, let's see what happens. All right, so we're back in the game. As you can see, 15% crit chance. I increased it, and then the crit multiplier is 115%. So it's 100, and it should be 115% increase in damage. Okay. Let's see if we can pop a crit. Ugh. Without dying, preferably. Alright, and well, this might take a little bit. We'll see. Now, when I was testing this, like, I pretty much made it. I took the damage off, so I could see the damage, but oh, right there, look at that. Did you see that? See, before I added the crit multiplier, it was 10. It was just double damage. It was one flat, like, 100% increased damage. It was so say you do 5 damage, right? A crit in the olden days was like 100% increase, which would be 10 double damage, right? So, but now that you have a little bit of a crit multiplier based off how much crit you have, you can get even more damage. Let's go. So it's not that much more, but 1 damage more than it used to be. So alright, so let me see if I can show you guys. Let's see if I can crit. Nope. Let's try again. I have it in the debug to show if I crit, like it'll break down a little bit of what's going on for those who are interested. There we go. So I got a nice fat crit. Let's go check it out. Alright, so I crit, and the crit multiplier is 2.15. That is what it multiplies. It takes the damage and multiplies it by 2.15. The 15 is the 15% crit that we have. If that makes any sense to you, that is great. So that's what is happening. So we have 5 damage, right? We're doing 5 damage to our Mr. Skeleton over there, and we crit, right? And it basically takes our 5 damage and multiplies it by 2.15. That is our crit multiplier. and we get the magical number of 10.75. That is our crit damage. Now, we're dealing with integers, okay? We're not dealing with floats, we're not dealing with decimals, right? We're not dealing with decimals. You don't see decimals popping up and whatnot. We see the number 11 pop up, right? Not 10.175. I mean, sorry, 10.75. We see 11 pop up, right? That is because, check it out, it is rounded. I use the mathf.rounded function, and I just round this damage that we get to a integer, and then bam. So we didn't actually get 11. We got 10.75, and just rounded it. So I'm a nice guy. I let them have it. You know, they're close enough to 11. Let them have it. So yeah, that is kind of a breakdown of what's going on in the background. That is for 15% crit. 15% crit is a 115% increase. Check it out, another crit. And it's the same thing. 2.15. Then we multiply our damage, 5 damage times 2.15, we get 10.75. And then we round that bad boy to 11. Because, you know, we gotta have good clean numbers. Can't have no decimals. Get them decimals out of my face. Alright, so hopefully that sheds some light on what's happening in the background. That's what I've been working on. Crit multiplier. And it's working. So thanks for watching, guys. As always, like, comment, subscribe, give me some feedback. Tell me what you think, and as always, God bless and stay ninja, guys. Love you guys.